Before we get into this video, guys, make sure you guys follow all my social medias up here on the screen. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because at 10K subscribers, I am doing a cash giveaway on my Instagram. So make sure you follow my social medias, subscribe to your girl channel. Y'all, so why my skin look trash? I did just wake up, so ignore that. It is 2:47 a.m. and your girl just signed up for driving school. And since I'm 18, I only got to do 6 hours, and then I just can go to the DMV, do the driving court, do the driving test, and get my driver's license. So your girl is finally ready for a car. If you know me, you know I did not care to learn how to drive. So your girl has actually got to do everything. I got to take this, learn how to drive, then get her driver's license, then get a car. You know, I could just go buy a car, but then it's like, if I get pulled over, it's just hectic because I have a daughter. So I ain't trying to do that. I'm going to do it the right way. So we finna finish this driving school. Then y'all gonna learn with me. Probably, hopefully, my family teach me. If not, y'all gonna see who teach me. I don't know who gonna teach me. And then I'm gonna try to get it before my birthday. Try to get my driver's license before my birthday, because I want my car as my birthday gift to myself. So we're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see. But let me show y'all. I was just watching. Carmen from Carmen and Corey. Her channel is lit. But okay, hold on. So I was doing this. Y'all see your girl name up there? I didn't put it right. I can go change it, but it is 2:48 a.m. 6-hour course, and it is all I gotta do, and then I can start learning, and I can go to the DMV, take the test. I already know I'm gonna pass because your girl learned. Catch on quick, okay? That's what's gonna go down. And then I'm gonna get a car, and then yeah, we're just gonna do this thing. The channel gonna be more lit once I get a car, because I be having so many ideas that I don't be wanting to Uber and do, or I don't be wanting people to take me to do, because people be rushing. They don't understand YouTube's take time. Okay, but let's just go and finish this course. I'm gonna try to finish it tonight. I'm not gonna even cap to y'all, because I know the rules and the signs and all that stuff, because I actually took a driving kind of ed thing in school, and it was like, I understand that stuff, but we're gonna go ahead and do this, okay? I'll catch y'all when I'm done. Hopefully it don't take 2 or 3 days, but if it do, that's fine. I ain't got nothing to do. It's the weekend, but I am doing Vlogmas, so who knows? We gonna see. Maybe I finish this today for Vlogmas Day 19. I'm not sure. And I realize sometimes my audio be tripping. Maybe because I hold it on the end where the audio is. I don't know. But y'all look at, y'all can't even see her. She over there. She right there asleep. Instead of being in her bed, she's in my bed. But it's 2 a.m. and her mom is up trying to finish driving school. It looked like it's a pimple right there, but it is nothing right here. I don't know if it's my camera, this light, my face, my pillow, because y'all know my pillow's got those little lines in them. I don't know. Okay, now that's a pimple. Like, what the heck? That look like something bit me. That look dirty. Okay. That's fine, but let's just go ahead and get to this video.
Course which you will be taking today is comprised of a different video series with quiz questions about the videos at the end of each section. After completing all of the questions, you will be issued a certificate, which must be submitted to DPS within 90 days of completing this course, and before you can take your driving exam to get a Texas driver license. If you are taking your driving exam with a third-party skills test,
stayed up all night and completed my driving class course, whatever you want to see. Here goes a screenshot of the email of my certificate. It's my brother, and they're singing. But your girl completed it, so now it's time for actual driver lessons. Like, I can't drive at all. Like, I can do a little bit, but I can't drive, honestly. I never actually wanted to learn. But I'm gonna be 20, so might as well learn now. And it's winter break, so I got a little more free time. So I was like, okay, I gotta do something. Can't just be laying down all day. So I just completed that course. It was 6 hours, literally 6 hours. And I'm done. I passed. I actually got 100 on the final exam because I already knew the rules of the road and the signs and all that stuff. I just actually never got behind the wheel to drive a car. Well, I have, but I haven't, if that makes sense. Haven't done it a lot, but I've done it a couple times. But your girl is ready. Hopefully I can get my license before my birthday. That's the goal. So we gonna see, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. I got a lot of stuff set for 2021. I am manifesting like a mother clucker. I actually going to do a video about manifesting my 2021 year at the end of this month. So like 2 or 3 days before 2021, I'm gonna do a manifesting my year like I did last year. And it actually helps you guys. So I recommend everybody to do a manifestation thing, and also I recommend you to write everything down that hurts on the inside or is bothering you or that makes you mad or anything like that, and then burn it. It's like releasing the bad energy or taking away the negativity, because you're writing it down, which is getting it off your chest, and then you're burning it is like releasing it, or finally, I can't explain it, but it really works. So do that. Also, yeah, I'm gonna actually do a video on that because I do that now. I got it from Drinker Gates. She has a YouTube channel. That's Kevin Gates' wife, and it really helps. So I recommend that also. I'm gonna do a video on that too because that's really been helping me with, like, it's just been helping. But I'm actually I don't know if y'all can tell I'm tired, but I stayed up all night to do that 6-hour course. And then I didn't go to sleep. I drank a Red Bull. And I've been up since. I took a little nap. It was like an hour. But I had to get back up to do some stuff. So I'm tired right now. But I gotta get Vlogmas Day 19 out. Y'all, my brother is crunk in there. I don't know what he doing in the bathroom, but he crunk. Dennis! I'm doing a video. You've been in the background the whole time singing, and I'm not editing that out. Okay? Alright. But, we almost at 3,000 subscribers, but like I said, at 10,000 subscribers, we're doing a huge cash giveaway on my Instagram, so follow all my social medias. Dang, I ain't dirty. Like, I know it looks like I haven't took a shower, but it was like before I started that vlog last night. I had just got out the shower. If that makes sense. It don't matter. I know I ain't dirty. I know I done cleaned my shirt, my clothes clean, booty clean, all that. But your girl is tired. But I'm gonna get this video out. I know y'all tired of these talking videos, but I actually got more videos I'm gonna record today, which is my brother is in there tripping. But I actually want to wrap more Christmas gifts with y'all because I do have more to wrap. I want to do gift guides. I actually want to finish this month. I know my videos have been kind of rushed. I don't know if y'all can tell, but they've been kind of rushed because of me. It's all on me because I've been waking up late lately. instead of waking up at 8 a.m. like I normally do. I've been waking up at 12 p.m. But that's all on me. But today, hopefully tomorrow, I wake up on time. I wake up at 8 a.m. and start a video. I'm going to spend a couple days at my grandmother's house since it's like winter break for me and the kids. I said the kids, well, me and my nieces and nephews. So we're going to go down there and spend a couple days with her. So y'all going to get some content in her house. But I also go to do some videos while I'm here tonight because I'm going to her house tomorrow. And we want to have a good time while we with her. I don't want to be doing all this extra work. So tonight is grind night. So tomorrow I'm going to be tired, but it's going to be worth it because I like doing YouTube. Like, I really do. Like, I know I need to stop getting on here looking like a hot mess, knowing when I'm really a baddie when I try. But make sure y'all follow my social medias because I'll be on there every day. But I think that's it for today. Yeah. So congratulate your girl for completing her driving little 6-hour course in one night. Your girl did that. Period. Now I'm gonna get my license before my birthday, so I need somebody to teach me. Who wanna teach me how to drive? Teach me how to drive. Teach me how to drive.